Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to do subtraction in algebraic expression. Okay, it is very simple topic. It is similar to addition of algebraic expression. Same steps, only one step will be added to it. Okay, so this is the question you can see over here. 2a square plus 3b and you have to subtract it with a square minus 2b. Okay, so first step, it is similar to the addition. First arrange the first expression as it is. Okay, so it will be 2a square plus 3b. Okay, done this much. Now subtract and now write the second expression as per the like terms. Okay, so here it is a square, so I'll write it a square and minus 2b. Got it? Now there is the extra step. What you have to do is you will be changing the signs of all the second expression. Means what? I'm going to make one more line over here. Now what you observe here it is a square. Nothing is mentioned before that. That means it is a positive one. So it will now turn to negative. A square will become minus a square. You don't have to write a square again. You just have to write mention the sign, or however your teacher must have taught you in the school, you have to write it. She might have written the whole expression again, or she must have put only the minus sign above or somewhere. Whatever is taught to you by the teacher, you have to just follow that. Okay, I'm just showing you how it works exactly. I change the sign of the first one. Now I have to do the same thing with the second one. So it will be minus 2b. So when I will change, it will become plus 2b. And this will happen only to the second expression, not the first one. 2a square will be 2a square only, 3b will be 3b only positive. Only the second one will change. Okay. So now you will be carrying out the operation between the newly changed one. Means what? I'll explain. Now here what you observe, it is plus positive. Okay, positive plus 3b. And here earlier it was minus 2b. So I'll not consider that now. I'll just see what it is, 2b, and it will be now positive. So one is a positive number, another one is also a positive number. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to carry out the operation of addition. Very good. So 3 plus 2 gives me 5. And since both are a positive number, so I'll write just plus. Now it is 2a square and minus a square. One is a positive and another is a negative number. So which operation I'm going to carry out? Very good. I'm going to carry out the subtraction. So first carry out the subtraction. 2 and nothing is there with a. That means which number is there with a? Number 1. So 2 minus 1 gives me 1. And which sign I'm going to put? I'm going to put the sign of bigger number, which is 2. So it will, since 2 is a positive number, it will be positive only. So can be plus. You can put plus or you can avoid putting plus. Nothing matters. Okay, that is okay. Anything is fine. And a square. So your answer over here will be plus 1a square plus 5b, or you can write this as a square plus b5b. Both are right. Okay. Both the ways of writing the answer is correct. So this is how you have to solve the subtraction. Be with me in the video. Now this is the second question you can see. So first step is to arrange write the first expression as it is. So I'll write 2x square plus 3x minus 4y plus 7. Okay. Now write the next expression as per the like terms. So over here, can you observe in the second expression, is there a x square anywhere? No, only x and y is there. So you keep the place below 2x square empty and write 5x plus 4y minus 3. Okay. You can keep it empty or you can put 0 to avoid the confusion, whichever is comfortable with you. Okay. Now I have to do subtraction. So which step got added over here? I have to change the sign of the second expression. Okay. Now 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you don't do anything with it. You just keep it as it is. Now here it is plus 5x, means it will be minus 5x now. This is again plus 4y, so it will be negative. And this is minus 3, so it will become positive. Now, which one you will take into consideration while doing subtraction? The new second one. Okay, this one you will consider. Now, look from the right hand side. We will start solving. Positive plus 7 and plus 3. Positive number and positive number. Which operation I am going to carry out? I am going to carry out, very good, the addition. So, I will do 7 plus 3 gives me 10. And I will put, since it is both are positive number, I will write plus. Now, over here, 4y it is, right? Minus 4y. So, 1 is a negative number and the new one is also negative, minus 4y. So, there are two negative numbers. So, which operation you are going to carry out? Very good. You are going to carry out the operation of addition only. So, 4 plus 4 gives me 8. But which sign you are going to put? Since both are negative, I am going to put the sign negative only. Okay. Now, 3x plus 3x and minus 5x. One is positive, one is negative. Which operation? Very good. I am going to put the sign of, I am going to carry out the operation of subtraction. So, 5 minus 3 gives me 2. And which sign I am going to put? Of the bigger number, which is 5. So, 5. And it is x. Don't forget to put the variable. And this is 2x minus 0, nothing. So, it will be 2x square as it is. So, this will be your answer. 2x square minus 2x minus 8y plus 10. Now, this is the last question in this video. What you observe, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now, here, please don't make a mistake and go and write 4a first and then the second one. No. What is the question telling you? You have to subtract the first expression from the second one. So, you have to remove the first expression from the second expression. So, which one will come first? Will 4a wala expression come first or 12a1 wala expression will come first? Very good. It is 12a1 first. So, first write 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay. Now, what you are going to do? You are going to write the next one. 4a, a is there, ab. Now, minus 7ab. Then first plus 3b plus 12. Now what I am going to do? I am going to change the sign of all the numbers, all the terms present in the second expression. So this is positive, so it will become, it will become negative. This is negative, it will become positive. This is positive, this will become negative. This is positive, it will become negative. Done. Now start solving from the right hand side. Pause. Now I am going to do it first. You have to try it and give me the answer quickly. Minus 3 minus 12. It will be minus 15. Now plus 5 minus 3. It will be plus 2b. I hope you are also trying it with me. Okay. And you are getting the right answer too. Minus 9ab plus 7ab. It will be minus 2ab. And 12a minus 4a gives me 8a. So, this will be the answer of this subtraction. 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. So, I hope you have got the correct answer. I know I did very quickly because I am used to solving this. You are also going to be expert in solving these integers and algebraic expression sums very easy, very quickly with a lot of practice. Okay, so this is what was the topic for today's video. I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet in the next class. Till then, take it out. Tata, bye bye.